Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, I am here on my roof and it's afternoon time. It's 3 o'clock afternoon time and you can see the weather. It's very fog weather and actually the sun is out, but you see it is feeling cold. It's very cold day and you can see the Dobby. Hey Dobby. He generally comes with me when I come on my roof, and these are two cute children. Okay, so what are you doing here?
I am playing with Dobby. Yes.
You are playing with Dobby,
Yes.
and Dobby is very naughty. He is standing on the wall. Just come,
This
come in. Okay, so you are playing here, and this is your place. Here you generally play,
Yes.
and you took my tiles, one tiles. Why? Why did you not ask me, ma'am? I can take your tile. Can I take your tile? Why?
I am
Huh? Yes.
housing the tile.
You want to make your house with tiles. That's why you took my tiles. But you should, take my permission. Why did you not take my permission? You can say sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. Let's play with doggy and your, toys. Okay. So, friends, let's talk about something in English. Actually, I received phone calls, and there was my subscriber, and she was asking me a question, ma'am. Actually, I really want to speak in English, but it's cold time, and I really want to do conversation. I really want to learn English and speak in English. But what happened, every day I thought, okay, I will start my journey from today, but every day, because of cold, because of some reason, I generally missed my theme, my goal. So how to overcome of this type of problem? Okay, so this is a problem. It's not a big problem. Actually, this is your mindset, and I thought, why not create a video on this particular topic? And what is comfort zone? Comfort zone, I mean to say that thing where we feel ease, where we feel comfortable, where we have not any type of challenge, where we cannot do, where we generally take all the challenges, where we have generally familiar about those challenge. Okay, so yes, simple in words we can say, we cannot choose any challenge where we should give our effort, where we should give get out from our comfort zone. We should take only those challenge where we can easily can do, because we are familiar with those challenge in previous time. So yes, this is your comfort zone. Okay, but I just want to I just want to say you only one thing like this. Every big things takes times to happen. Okay, in your learning period, I mean to say, in initially of learning of this year, I mean to say 2025, when 2025 have started and you have taken a resolution, okay, I will learn this language in this year, and after 10 days your motivation goes down. You feel, okay, it's very difficult, I can't get out of my comfort zone, and it's very difficult language. Why I should learn this language? Okay, this language will not help me, this language will not give me any type of possibilities to get success. You are thinking like this, but before 10 days ago you are thinking like, you were thinking like, okay, I can learn this language, okay, I will learn this language after 1 month, after 2 months I will be fluent in English. Okay, but so this is your problem, like, ma'am, I really want to speak in English, but I don't know how to work on it, how to get out from our comfort zone. So yes, just you should listen to me very carefully, because in this video I'm going to tell you a very motivational story, and so hear me out for the next 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. Okay, so the story goes like this. Once upon a time there lived a king, and he was blessed with two eagles, and the king liked two eagles very much. Okay, after few days, after few months, both two eagles grew up, and the king saw the both two eagles growing up big. So what happened after one day the king thought why not keep a caretaker for these two eagles, because the king wanted to see both two eagles flying high in the sky. So he did the same. He took a caretaker for those two eagles. So one day the king came to the caretaker and said, give him signal, this give two eagles signal and two flying high in the sky. So the caretaker did the same. He gave a signal. So one eagle was flying high in the sky. On the other hand, second eagle was flying high in the sky, but few minutes he came to sit on the same branch where he was used to sit generally. So when the king saw this thing, so he feel very discouraged by the he felt discouraged by the behavior of the second eagle, because the king liked both two eagles very much and he want to see both eagle flying high in the sky. Okay, so he felt very discouraged by the behavior of second eagle. So he said to the caretaker, why it is happening with the second eagle, why the second eagle did not fly high in the sky. So the caretaker said to the king, sir, it is a problem from the beginning and okay, first eagle was flying high in the sky every time, but second eagle after some time he generally came back and sit in the branch where he was generally used to sit, and it was the problem from the beginning. So the king felt sorry and he said to the caretaker, oh caretaker, okay, make an announcement in the city and said that the person who was able to flied high in the sky in the for the second eagle, so he will be rewarded for lots of money and treasure. So the caretaker did the same. After announcement, lots of the great knowledge of scholar came and king's house, and he tried and he made them, but no one was successful to fly high second eagle in the sky. For many tried, and the king lost his hope and he went to his palace. And what happened one day, the king the king felt surprised to see both eagle flying high in the sky, and he was very surprised. So he called the caretaker and asked how it is happening. Okay, how did the second eagle was able to fly high in the sky? So the caretaker said, sir, when lots of the scholar gave up, then one person came and he did this. So the king said, okay, call that person in my place, in my palace. Okay, so in the second morning, that person came near to the king, and the king asked how did you do this thing? And so the person said that, sir, I am a farmer and I have no so much knowledge as your scholars have. I am a innocent and very simple farmer. I saw that the second eagle generally used to sit the same branch where he usually used to sit. I just cut the same branch, and then he had no option on even flying high in the sky. So I only cut the branch where he usually used to sit. I generally do this thing. So the king was very happy and he gave him lots of money and cash and treasure, and okay, so this is the story. Okay, because he have no option, only flying high on the sky. So yes, this branch in this story, the branch is eagle's comfort zone. Okay, when he cut the branch, so eagle have no option even flying high in the sky. Okay, so yes, this is the story. Now let's see if we see in our life, so we will find that okay, actually think about, suppose yourself that you are in a condition where every people speaks in English. then what will you do? You try to speak, or you try to understand them only with the help of few English words, with few wrong sentence. You just try to understand them. Okay, and yes, think about that you are in this condition. I mean to say, you have no any option to live. You just try to speak in English, no matter you are speaking wrong or right. Okay, and yes, this is the best way to learn this language. Speak out whatever you are speaking. Don't think about it, because you are in a initially time, you are a beginner, you are a learner. So yes, it's happened that you are making mistakes in English. Okay, so just try to speak out. After sometimes, by speaking, you can easily improve your English, you can easily improve your sentence. Okay, so yes, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.